So same 100 pesos, bro. Let's taste it. Actually, super crisp dun sa outside. Very glazed dun sa flavor coating natin. And then in the inside, mayroon pa rin siyang flavor, guys. Alright, let's try it again. Kasama natin mga kids and of course my wife. Ayan, so we are invited dito sa bagong bukas na Korean restaurant. Actually, they serve mainly chicken. Actually, mami sabi niya dito, ito. Chicken Dakgwangjeong is one of the popular snacks in South Korea.
I see.
Chicken cut into pieces and deep fried and braised with spicy sauce or pan fried. They got several flavors to choose from. And then may mga tatlong servings pa tayo. So the first one is the cup. Kung ka man papunta while you are walking.
Movies.
Yes, movies actually. And then they also have rice meals naman. Yung mga platter. Okay, and then lastly, yung box naman in which yun yung pinakamarami nilang serving. And then you got 3 kinds of dips. Alright, so this is it. This is our table. So just a rundown kung ano yung mga sinerve nila sa atin dito. Now, for the cups, meron tayong consomme and soy chili. Now, for the chicken and rice, sinerve nila sa atin yung prinkle, and then yung kay Isa naman yung sweet and spicy. Now, in the middle, I think this is the main, no? Ito yung main attraction natin. This is their fried platter. It's a must kasi kita natin dun sa natin. Recommended. That's best, sabi niya. Now, for the drinks, you can actually order cola. Meron din silang iced tea or some alcohols later on. Alright, so this is it. Let's try them for the first time. I'm really excited. Excited na si Luis, oh. Let's try this one. Yan, prinkle. This is the prinkle. So this is actually Isa's, pero try na rin natin. So dito rin guys, available yung kanilang mga side dishes. Ayan, so meron tayong kimchi at saka mga pickled radish.
Oh, spicy. I like spicy. Tama yung sinabi mo, crispy in the outside.
Yes.
Juicy in the inside.
Yeah. Oh, it's so thick. This is another thick sauce. Look at that. So up to the last drop ng sauce. So yung sabi ni Isa, kanin pa lang daw nila, sarap na. Wow. Did you hear her? So niya, busog na ako. Actually guys, guys, to sum it all up, our experience dito po sa Dakgwangjeong Philippines. For me, no, this place is actually family friendly. Enjoy din yung mga kids because essentially this is chicken. So you can't go wrong if it's chicken. What makes it different with the other mga restaurants na nagsaserve ng chicken, this one has authentic Korean flavors. So Dakgwangjeong is actually located dito po sa may Central Town Mall. Pinaka-landmark natin dito is yung intersection ng Angeles and Porac. They are open from Thursday to Sunday. Operational hours nila is from 11 a.m. up until 9 p.m. They are available for takeout. There you have it guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next video. Until next then, subscribe daw guys, subscribe guys. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Say peace out guys. Peace out. Bye.